Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to take dual recording in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and go to more button. And here we will find one option dual recording. Just click it. And dual recording will be enabled, that is both back camera and front camera will be open. Suppose if you are shooting in the back side of your phone, and if at the same time if you are speaking, if you are interactively speaking, then you can enable front camera too. Okay, so both camera will be active, and this is the front camera frame. Okay, so here you can record your voice, and this is back camera. Okay, so in this way you can easily take dual recording. Okay, I start recording one video here. Yes, I have recorded. Hi, hello, how are you? Welcome to my channel. And yes, I am recording this video for you. I stop this video now, and I play the video that I took. I go back and I play the video. See here. Hi, hello, how are you? Welcome to my channel. And see here. Yes. So this is the dual recording in your phone. Okay, so in this way you can easily do dual recording in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.